For solving exercise 5.1, we need to understand factorization. In class 5, we find the factors of number. To explain this, I take a number 18. Now we find factors of 18. Question arises, what is factor? A number which divide another number completely means remainder is 0 is called factor. Now we find the factors of 18. First of all, 1, 18, the 18 remainder is 0, so 1 is a factor of 18 because remainder is 0. Similarly, 2 is a factor of 18 because remainder is 0, so 2 completely divide 18. 3 is also completely divide 18, remainder is 0. But 4 is not a factor of 18 because it does not completely divide 18. We get 2 as a remainder. That's why 4 is not a factor of 18. Then 5 is also not a factor of 18, but 6 is a factor of 18. 9 is a factor of 18. 18 is a factor of 18 because these numbers are completely divide 18 and we get 0 as a remainder. So I write factors of 18 here. Any number can be written in the form of two numbers, like 18 can be written as 1 multiplied by 18, 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 9, 18 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6. We see that all 6 numbers 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, 6 all are factors of 18. If a number is written in the form of two numbers, both numbers need to be factors of 18. Then this process is called factorization. We see that if 18 can also be written as 18 is equal to 16 plus 2, here 2 is a factor of 18 but 16 is not a factor of 18. So this process is not called factorization. But this process is called factorization as both numbers are factors of 18. 2, 9, here 3, 6 are factors of 18. That's why we call this process factorization. Now we are in class 9th. We have to factorize algebraic expression and polynomials. So there is a small difference in solving question. Now we are solving exercise 5.1. There are many methods to factorize any algebraic expression and polynomial. In question number 1, to factorize these questions, we just take common. It will be factorized. So now we are solving question number 1, part number 1, that is 2abc minus 4abx plus 2abd. In question number 1, you see 2abc minus 4abx plus 2abd. 2a is common in 3 terms. So we take 2a common, then we get here bc, here 2bx as a is common, and here we get bd. Similarly, question number 2, 3 and 4 solve. Here we have 2 common, any number which is common in 3 terms. 3. Similarly we solve 3 and 4. Question number 5 is important and very small difficult, so we solve this. In question number 5, 3x square 2y, x minus 3y minus 7x square y square x minus 3y. From here we can common x minus 3y, so I take common x minus 3y, remaining is 3x cube y and minus 7x square y square. You can see x square y is again common in second term. We cannot take any common from first term, but in second term we take common x square y. So we take x square y common, remaining here 3x minus 7y. A number which y common. Now we get 3x minus 7y. By arranging this algebraic expression, I write x square y in first, second x minus 3y, third 3x. Solving part number 4. In part number 4, we have x square minus y square into z plus y square minus z square into x. First of all, you can see we cannot take anything common from these two terms. So we just simply multiply z by x square minus y square. So when we multiply z by x square minus y square, we get x square z minus y square z plus xy square minus xz square. Second, we the terms containing x variable I write first. For example, x square z and minus xz square I take first, and minus y square z plus xy square I take second two terms. Here in fourth term, the fourth term is also involving x, but I do not write by first term, as if we write then we take the question again. That's why we take xz square, because in first two terms we just not take x common, z is also common. When we take xz common, we get x minus z plus from here we take y square common, we get minus z plus x. By arranging plus sign variable is written, I write first, and negative sign variable is written second. Now you see we arrange it as, if we arrange this we can get again x minus z common, so we arrange this as a plus sign first and negative sign second. Now we use the formula of a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now सबसे पहले ये देखेंगे कि ये किस चीज़ का कंप्लीट स्क्वायर बन रहा है. You see that 144 a square is square of 12a and 1 is square of 1. अब हमारे पास a square भी आ गया है जो कि 12a है, और b स्क्वायर भी आ गया है जो कि जिसमें b हमारे पास क्या है 1 है. देन ये लिखने के बाद हम 2ab लिखेंगे. यहाँ पर आएगा 2a हमारे पास क्या है 12a और b हमारे पास क्या है 1. ये लिखने के बाद अब हमारे पास ये फार्मूला बन रहा है a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b के स्क्वायर. नाउ वी राइट इट इन द कंप्लीट फॉर्म, that is 12a plus 1 whole square. This is factorized form of question number 3. And second, if we open the square we get 12a whole square plus 2ab plus b square, and when we solve this we get the equation. It is a converse process of a plus b whole square question. ऐसे क्वेश्चन जिसमें हम a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर फाइंड करते थे फार्मूला लगा के, अब हमें जवाब दिया हुआ है, हमने वो सवाल फाइंड करना है. तो इस तरह से ये सवाल होगा. इन पार्ट 2 वी हैव टू गिवन a स्क्वायर और b स्क्वायर माइनस 2 प्लस b स्क्वायर ओवर a स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. To write it in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, first of all we have to find a and b. A square over b square, we can write it a over b whole square minus 2, and b square over a square, we can write it b over a whole square. Now this is a over b is a, and b over a is b. Now we write a over b whole square minus 2a. A is a over b and b is b over a plus b over a whole square. In last we take its complete square by completing, then a over b minus b over a. इस बात का ख्याल रखना है, अगर इस 2 के साथ माइनस है तो यहाँ पर माइनस आएगा, 2 के साथ अगर प्लस है तो यहाँ पर b के साथ क्या आएगा, प्लस आएगा, 2 डिजिट्स के दरमियान प्लस आएगा। तब अगर हमारे पास 2 के साथ अगर प्लस है, अगर 2 के साथ माइनस है तो हम यहाँ पर माइनस लिखेंगे। In third part, given that x plus y whole square minus 14z x plus y plus 49z square, this is in the form of complete square, so we write it as it is, x plus y whole square minus 2 minus, before writing this we find what is b. You can see b, 49 is square of 7 and z is square of z. So we write 49z square in these square form, 7z whole square. Now you can find a. A is x plus y, b is 7z. We write minus 2a. A is x plus y, b is 7z. In complete form we write as x plus y minus 7z whole square. ये आपके पास a है x plus y, ये आपके पास b है कंप्लीट। अब आपके पास एक कंप्लीट स्क्वायर बन सकता है, क्यों, ये है ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर। आप इसे कंप्लीट फॉर्म में क्या लिखोगे, पहले ए लिखेंगे ए जो कि क्या है x प्लस वाई, फिर क्या लिखेंगे b जो कि आपके पास क्या है 7z है, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर। इफ वी ओपन दिस वी गेट दिस फॉर्म, और अगर हम इसे मजीद खोलें तो हमारे पास ये क्वेश्चन वाली फॉर्म आ जाती है। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 वी हैव to solve 12x square minus 36x plus 27. This is very simple, but a little different from other questions. We see that 12x square is not a complete square of any number. Also 27 is not a complete square of any number. If we see, we can take common from these 3 terms. That number is 3. If we take common 3 from these 3 terms, we get 4x square minus 12x plus 9. You can see 4x square is a complete square of 2x and 9 is a complete square of 3. After ये देखने के बाद कि हमारे पास a क्या है, वो जो कि 2x है, और b हमने क्या फाइंड कर लिया, 3 कर लिया, फिर हम ये दरमियान वाली टर्म लिखेंगे जो क्या आएगी -2ab। अब ये हमारे पास क्या है, एक कंप्लीट स्क्वायर है किसका, 2x माइनस 3 होल का स्क्वायर। क्यों, 2 के साथ माइनस का साइन है, दैट्स वाई वी प्लेस माइनस है। और इसमें इस बात का ख्याल रखना है, अगर आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जिसमें आपके पास ये कंप्लीट स्क्वायर, आपके पास ये दोनों नंबर्स नहीं बन रहे, तो आप क्या कर लें, उन तीनों में से आप देखें कि कोई चीज़ कॉमन तो नहीं आ रही। अगर कोई चीज़ कॉमन आ रही है तो वो कॉमन ले लेंगे, तो